Well, there's no doubt the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's updating their mask guidelines marked a very significant shift in the pandemic. It's encouraging, and of course, we always appreciate that kind of news.
For many people, the stress of the pandemic isn't like how it was a year ago, but we are all still dealing with challenges.
And there are ways to cope with stress. Talking to a professional can be one of those things to help you through. ClickOrlando.com's Brianna Bowles joins us now with what to consider before seeking a therapist. Bree.
Well, Bridget, let me just start by saying to everyone at home, it is okay to be sad. Everyone feels off sometimes, whether that means angry, frustrated, or just down in the dumps. Those are all very normal emotions, but to be depressed is something else. That is a diagnosis, and people who suspect they're depressed should talk to a professional. But getting to that point isn't always easy. If it's you who is struggling, you might ask yourself, how do I find a therapist? What is that person going to ask me, and how long will it take before I feel better? Or can't I just talk to my sister or a friend? Now, the answer to that question is you can, but just know it is helpful to have an outside source. Over on ClickOrlando.com, a therapist provided some insight on what exactly one should know or do before a session. Now, the first tip might be obvious, but it is also an important one. Do your research. Don't just pick a name out of a hat. Try to make sure this person would be a good fit for you and your specific needs. Therapists do have specialties. Next, know that therapists aren't magicians. They don't just have a magic wand they can wave to make things better. It is a process, and that process takes time. Be mindful that therapy takes work, and in many cases, patients will be given homework to do outside the session. Next, therapists aren't meant to be your friends. Therapists are paid to give unbiased input so patients can make changes in their lives. Also, sometimes things need to get worse before they get better. If you're in therapy, it helps if you're realistic. And lastly, your therapist isn't here to tell you what to do or make any decisions for you. In many cases, clients will say, "Tell me what to do," but it just doesn't work that way. Your therapist will look at your choices and the paths, but ultimately, clients will have to make decisions for themselves. For more information on how to seek the right therapist, you can find it in a web story on ClickOrlando.com.